Hello, my favorite student. Today we are going to make a corn cob. Well, this looks very interesting. Why don't we start making this corn cob? Let's make this together. At first, let's make two curved lines. After that, let's start making this a little fatter from the bottom. And then let's make it stick. This is going to be very easy for us to make it. Let's make one of its flap like this and then overlap it on top of the corn cob. After that, let's make another flap on the left hand side. And then we will start making these smaller flaps on top by making these zigzag lines. And then comes the interesting part. Let's start by dividing the inner part of the cob with the help of lines at first. And then we are going to make this a little better. Once we are done with that, let's start sketching this. We will make sure that we go right on top of the pencil marks. And then we will start by making the circles of the corn. We are just going to make these curved lines at first. And when we come at the center, we will start making each bead of our corn. Continue doing this. Make it slowly and nicely. And of course, let's do these lines so that it gets a little easier for us to do this. You can also do this with the help of your pencil first and then start by making it with your sketch pen. Start by making these ovals nicely. That's lovely. Look at that. Our corn cob is ready. Let's take our eraser and erase all the extra pencil marks we see. And after that, let's take a light green colored sketch pen and make these lines. It gives us a beautiful texture for the corn cob. And after that, let's take green color and start coloring this. Yes, you can opt for a yellowish green color. Do not worry if you don't have the same shade. You can go ahead with a separate shade. Or use a yellow color in the end on top of it. Something like this. Let's use this yellow color lightly at first now. And then do the green color on top of it. We will press the color hard on top of the paper so that we get a beautiful shade. And after that, let's take a goldenish yellow color for the corn. Color the entire part inside. And look at that! Our corn cob is ready.